Nawawala po si Peso Loan sa Google Play Store. Guys, hindi ko na sana ito gagawa ng video, pero ang dami-dami sa inyong nagko-comments. So in this video, i-share ko po yung mga findings ko, my thoughts, and siguro a little bit of friendly advice na lang para sa inyo. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here, and today, hindi po tayo mag-tutorial, hindi po tayo magko-comment sa mga bagong loan apps na nagsisilabasan, pero pag-uusapan natin si Peso Loan. Of course, this video is not sponsored by Peso Loan, and I made this video because I care about you guys, because yung concern naman natin sa community dito is, you know, debt management when it comes to OLA. So, if you're not yet subscribed sa channel, please consider subscribing, guys, because dito nagsiset tayo ng tamang expectations when dealing with mga pautangan online. So, for today's video, it is Peso Loan. Nawawala po si Peso Loan, guys. And before we continue, never po tayo mag-make assumptions, because nangyari na rin sa akin yan. And pinagsisihan ko lang, guys. I'll tell you more about it. It has something to do with my experience with one hand. But now, si Peso Loan nawawala, paparating na yung due, ano yung dapat gawin? For sure, bago matanggal si Peso Loan, some of you have encountered a warning from Android na this is a harmful app, install or keep access. Of course, dapat proceed with caution. Pero kung yung concern mo lang naman is payment, you might want to just keep access, make a payment, and then uninstall the app. Because I know na safety po is a big concern. Now, kung kusa naman siyang in-uninstall ng cellphone mo, there is a workaround. But of course, because yun nga, kahit na si Google mismo, meron na siyang warning about this loan app, then please po, proceed with caution. If you have a secondary phone, sa mga mahilig mag-OLA dyan, I'm aware that some of you have a separate phone. You can do this on the other phone. Pero guys, before tayo mag-proceed, please don't make any assumptions na tinanggal po siya. Wala pong official announcement na galing kay SEC na tinanggal, nawala ng lisensya, tong si Peso Loan. I don't think Peso Loan has an official Facebook page, but I noticed na ang dami pong sisilabasan ng mga accounts pretending to be Peso Loan. Bakit konti lang yung followers? Iba yung vibes at sinasabi pa nila message me. So kung may na-encounter man kayong Peso Loan na nag-message sa inyo sa Facebook, do not engage. Peso Loan has an official website. It's apparent na they are aware of the situation. Sabi pa nga, important alignment. To our valued Peso Loan clients, the Peso Loan app is temporarily unavailable on the Google Play Store due to an ongoing upgrade. Ayan guys, wala pong news na tinanggalan ng lisensya si Peso Loan. Please, huwag po tayong mag-assume. But it will be back soon to enhance your experience. Let's hope na meron nga siyang improvements kaysa dati niyang version, diba? In the meantime, iOS users and loyal users can continue using the app without interruption. So, working pa rin po yung app with all features fully available. So, nakaka-loan pa rin po for as long as you have access to the app. For those who have uninstalled the app, and new users, you can temporarily download the official Peso Loan APK here. I'm sure na pag di-download nyo to, magkakaroon po siya ng warning from Android phones that the app may be harmful. Proceed at your own risk. Proceed at your own risk. So, kung i-ex mo yan, ayun, more information about Peso Loan dun sa app niya. And as you can see, meron po siyang button to download the Peso Loan APK. And then, pwede rin siyang ma-download sa App Store, Apple App Store. And I checked, it's working. Nada-download po siya sa App Store. Available din po siya sa Huawei Gallery. So, mga naka-Huawei dyan, then you can still install and use the Peso Loan app. Moving on, so ito po yung details ni Peso Loan sa website niya, which since it's the official website, then this is your best place to go. And also guys, meron pong login doon sa website. So working po yung website ni Peso Loan, and I tried it kanina. All you need to do is just put your phone number and then an OTP and then your password, and then makakapasok ka. You can apply for a loan sa website, or you can view your payment details. So, kung meron kayong kakilala na merong iOS or Huawei, pwede naman kayong makiusap na makilogin para lang makuha nyo yung details ng loan nyo and makuha nyo yung payment details. I'm sure a lot of you are concerned about making payments, diba? Kasi papalapit na yung due date. At least yun yung na-observe ko sa comment section. Friendly advice lang po ha, and it's up to you if you want to take it or not. I've had a similar experience with One Hand. 3 or 4 years ago, nagkaroon din ng ganitong notification sa aking cellphone na harmful apps si One Hand. Napindot ko yung uninstall. So, na-uninstall siya. To make the long story short, guys, may lumabas talagang news na pinatanggal ni NPC si One Hand from Google Play Store. So, syempre wala ka nang ganang magbayad ng loan mo because ang dami-daming tumatawag, na malay mo baka scam. Plus, ang bigat pa ng babayaran mo because during those times, COVID po, and alam naman natin, mahirap yung situation at that time. Syempre, para wala ka nang gana magbayad ng loan. So, nakipagtalo ako sa collector. Ganito, ang dami kong dahilan, guys. But in the end, I still had to pay my loan anyway, plus penalties. And lumabas pa po siya, guys, sa credit report ko, which affected some of my applications sa loans because of that. And kahit nabayaran ko si One Hand, guys, for 3 years, nagstay po yung negative instance na yan sa report ko, which really made a big impact sa mga loan applications ko. Tingnan na lang na-approve pa ako sa iba. So, nasa inyo po yan kung susundin nyo o hindi. But just letting you know na I've been there. And kung pwede lang naman bayaran, please po bayaran. And kung ayaw nyo pa rin maniwala, Peso Loan is operated by Masaganang Buhay. Not only included doon sa list of recorded online lending platforms sa SEC na website, which means registered siya. It's also one of the submitting entities po sa CIC number 540 the last time I checked. Just in case malate kayo sa pagbayad, lalabas to sa credit report nyo, which you can also download through the Lista app. Marami ng options to check your credit score. So kung kaya, guys, please settle your obligations because ang laki ng impact, guys, ng negative report sa ating future decisions. And we don't want that kasi matatagalan bago natin to ma-repair. So if payment yung concern, nag-work pa rin siya sa website. Pwede ka makiusap sa mga friends mo na may iPhone, may Huawei, or kung may tumawag, kausapin nyo lang. Because marami naman po tayong viewers na nagko-comment sa comment section na mabait naman daw kausap si Peso Loan. At maybe kung natanggal siya sa phone, it's already a sign, blessing in disguise po yan, na pagkatapos yung bayaran, huwag na kayong bumalik pa. Because pag-uutang is a very big matter. Pinag-uusapan po yan. And pag umutang tayo, we pay interest. And syempre, interest, dagdag pa yan sa expense. So, nasa inyo po yan kung susundin nyo yung mga things na na-learn nyo sa video na to. Yung sa akin naman is just based on my personal experience na nangyari na whatever it is na tumatakbo dyan sa mga isipan nyo, nadaanan ko na yan, guys, kay One Hand. And wala siyang pinatunguhang mabuti. Until now, hindi na ako makaloan kay One Hand kahit na yung record ko ay matagal nang nawala sa credit history ko. Kasi it takes 3 years bago siya matanggal. So basically, andun pa rin siya for a long, long time sa credit report nyo kung nagkaroon kayo ng delinquent or non-payment na record. But of course, hindi ko naman sinasabi na dapat bayaran. Pilitin talaga kung walang pera ha. Yung sinasabi ko lang, hanggat maaari, and if kaya, please, alagaan po yung credit history kung maaari. So, that's all for today's video. I hope meron kayong natutunan and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!